because of you are doing elephant safari because you have an opportunity to interact and touch their mouth and tongue.
serious?
Talk to them.
You do it? I'm so sorry. Did you? Yeah.
3 words in there. Go, stop and faster.
They can lift
Talk,
your legs and
sit
shake your
down.
ears and everything. Yeah, I'm so sorry.
I did it time.
How much did it cost you? I'm doing the line and elephants with 2 American.